In this video, I will show you how to reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and also the Ultra 2 using the recovery mode. So first we need to reboot our watch and get it in this mode. So what you do is you simply hold both of these buttons at the same time. Also, I will start a timer so you can see how long each step takes. So yeah, you hold it for roughly 10 seconds. Hold both of them. On the Ultra, again, simply hold the two outer buttons. And so you see it shuts down, takes maybe like 10 seconds, and then we press this upper button. So again, on the Ultra as well, it's the upper button. And this takes maybe like 30 to 40 seconds. So it's we essentially keep clicking. It takes incredibly long time. Okay, so you see rebooting and keep clicking. Okay, so you see now we are in this menu. So if you keep clicking this upper button, I see you can switch between the different items. So to select, now press and hold this and it will restart and it will get us in the reset menu. And then you have to navigate down using this button, so the lower button now. Till this, you see wipe data, factory reset. So you see, you can use this button to navigate here. And next you simply click this one and you navigate down using this one. And we click again this to confirm, and that will completely reset the watch. I won't do that as, yeah, I have no need. If you want to back out, you can press cancel. Okay, good luck.